how to install Composer on Windows in 2 minutes. So if you want to install Composer on Windows in 2 minutes, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Once you're on your browser, you need to just simply go with search. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then search for Composer, and you'll get the getcomposer.org on the first. You need to just simply click on it, which will take you to the official website. Go with Get Started. Or if you want to download this, you need to just simply go with the download interface, which will be on the right side. Just click on download and you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you need to just simply scroll down and click on the download setup option right here. Once you click on it, the setup will be automatically installed. Or if it says that unverified document, then you need to click on that and then go with download unverified file. And it will start the downloading process. Just wait for a few seconds. Once it has been downloaded, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just double click on that setup file and you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with install for all users and then click on yes. And now make sure that you have not checked the developer mode option and just simply go with next, which will be on the bottom, and it will start the installation process. So that's how you can install Composer on your Windows in 2 minutes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.